The Arctic is warming, and as the ice melts, the oil companies are moving north. They're determined to drill for the same fuels that caused the melting in the first place. Leading the push is Shell. They've already tried drilling for Arctic oil off the coast of Alaska, but they botched it so badly they were forced to stop drilling there. So now Shell is eyeing up the Russian Arctic instead, an area where corruption is rife and accidents are common. They've done a deal with Gazprom, a Russian company with a long history of oil spills and cover-ups. Gazprom's equipment is decades out of date, and in 2011, one of its rigs even capsized and sank off the coast of Siberia, with 53 members of the crew aboard. Yet Shell is happy to put the Arctic, a region of breathtaking beauty, at risk by quietly signing a deal with Gazprom. If we don't stop them, a major Arctic oil spill is inevitable. The Arctic is under threat like never before. But with a global movement of people standing up to Shell, we can save it. This dodgy deal is risky business for Shell. Tell the world about it, so we can keep Shell out of the Russian Arctic for good.